In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube Music with mobile data. This process will allow you to enjoy your favorite songs and playlists even when you are offline. It's a straightforward method, so let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your mobile device. You will see a vibrant interface showcasing trending music, playlists, and your library. This is the starting point for your music experience. The app may take a moment to load, depending on your internet connection, but once it's open, you will find it easy to navigate. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else we will do. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the app. This is usually a circular icon featuring your photo or initials. By tapping this icon, you'll access your account settings and personalize your experience. This part is important as it leads you to the settings necessary for changing your download preferences. The screen will transition smoothly to show your account details and options available to you. Now select Settings from the list that appears. You will notice a range of options related to your account and app behavior. This is where you can customize your app experience to fit your needs. Clicking on Settings is essential because it allows you to adjust how the app functions, including download settings. Once you tap on it, the screen will refresh, presenting you with various settings to explore. From there, click on Downloads and Storage. This section is dedicated to managing your downloads and how storage is used within the app. Here, you will find options that dictate how and when you can download music, which is key to our goal. Ensuring that your downloads are set correctly will help you use your mobile data effectively. Once you click on this option, you will see the parameters currently set for downloading music. Next, toggle Download over Wi-Fi only to off. This is a crucial step because it allows you to download music using your mobile data as well. You will see a switch that you can tap. When the switch turns gray or shows an off position, it means you can now use mobile data for your downloads. This step is significant as it expands your ability to download music wherever you may be, not just when connected to Wi-Fi. You will notice a confirmation or change on your screen confirming that this setting has been updated. With that ready, you can now start downloading your favorite tracks. Open a song or playlist you wish to download. You will see a download icon, usually resembling a downward arrow. Tapping this icon will initiate the download process. It's reassuring to know that your music will now be available offline, making it perfect for traveling or areas with limited connectivity. As you complete these steps, remember that managing your mobile data usage is also important. Make sure to keep an eye on your data consumption while downloading. This will help you avoid unexpected charges from your mobile carrier. Now you are fully equipped to enjoy your music anytime, anywhere, all thanks to the settings you adjusted. Enjoy your music.